Design and Development of Patient Monitoring System in Healthcare Using Cloud Computing Environment, a Review. By Sonal Bawankule and Rekha Shahpurkar. This paper focuses on review of design and development of healthcare patient monitoring system using cloud environment. Cloud computing technology combines with the IoT, Internet of Things concept and helps for maintaining and processing of vital data online instead offline. In traditional method of patient monitoring, the patient's physiological information is on paper recorded by the nurses. As these nurses work on shift basis, the latest details of the patient may not be completely explained from outgoing to incoming nurse. Many times the diagnosis is made based on manually recorded physiological information and the prescription was noted without concern with tolerant current medical records. With such conventional method, diagnosis as well as the recommendation are noted against the law, which does not permit to do experts to have an easy entry to tolerant record. With such scenario, it is bit difficult to diagnose the patient correctly for the proper treatment. This leads to the expansion of store and ahead at least under ICU environment. With such system, the patient's normal functioning in the form of spacetime records of biological event are seized, stored for as long as to the experts for unplugged. This study aims to develop advanced real-time telemedicine system by using an ultra-low power processor and low-power biomedical sensors. This proposed work tries to facilitate population living in rural as well as interior part of the country with portable battery-operated telemetric unit, and to provide flexibility to such patients to have distant medical checkups as well as continuous patient monitoring. This study also shows methodology and basic idea about how the sensors, actuators connected to processor which able to process the signal in proper graphical physiological parameters of patients displayed on monitor by Java programming technique. Later it's connected to wireless sensor network, then sent to web server to the experts present on another side. During this COVID-19 pandemic situation, biomedical healthcare monitoring system is very helpful for those patients where vehicles, transportation and continuous monitoring is necessary. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.